Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create dynamic web application using STS IDE. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the WebLogic. First of all, you need to open STS IDE, Spring Tool Suite ID. This is how I open the STS IDE. From here, you need to click on the file option. From the file option, select new. Under this new, you need to select create a dynamic web project. On this window, you need to provide the name of the dynamic web project. So project 4. I'm creating project name as a project here. You need to provide the runtime environment where you need to deploy your application. At the first time, when you open this window, you will see there is a no runtime environment set there. So I'm also selecting I don't want to select the runtime environment at the time of creating my dynamic web project. So I'm selecting this as a none from that drop down list. Now dynamic web model version you need to select. I am selecting 3.0 here from the drop down menu. Click on next. Now generate the web.xml. This is the deployment descriptor file. You need to select the checkbox and you need to click on finish. So friends, this is how on your project explorer you will see that project 4 has been created. Under this project you will see Java resources. Under this Java resources you will see SRC folder. Right click on this SRC folder and select the new option and select package. So click on finish. So this is how the package has been created. So guys, creating the package is a very good programming practice. You do not to create Java classes directly inside the SRC folder. You need to create a package and you need to create the classes in that package. So you can easily categorize the functionality of your classes based on the package. So right click on this package, select the new option and click on the class. As I'm creating JSP servlet project, so provide instead of that class I'm creating the servlet here, so I need to select the servlet and provide the name of the servlet. Click on next. Which method stubs would you like to create? These are the methods that will be appear as a part of your application, as part of your servlet class. So I want to display do get, do post and service. So depends on you if you want to all methods on your servlet class. You can select all the checkboxes, or it depends. I want to only create the service as a method inside my servlet class. And so you will see that there is an error on your package. Basically this error means you need to see that there are some library files missing in this project. So you need to download this library file and you need to put that library file inside the library lib directory. I already downloaded this jars, so I will use the same jars. You need to download Java X Servlet API 3.0.1 from the internet, and you need to put that directory within your project inside the web content folder. Inside the web INF there is a lib directory. You need to paste that library inside the lib directory. You will see that the red error, cross error has gone now. Open your servlet. In my servlet I don't want to use annotation based functionality right now, and also don't want any constructor there. Default constructor I'm removing there. Simply I will put some message on my cursor. Generally you design the servlet if you want some dynamic content, if you want to display some dynamic content on your JSP page. At that time you are designing the servlet classes. Wait a second. So this is our messages here. So you don't need to repeat these steps. Welcome to my servlet class, and I want to display some dynamic content on my JSP page. So I will put some content and will put that content into the request scope of my HTTP request. So that HTTP request set attribute, same name, you can put any attribute. Channel. And I need to forward this request to my JSP page. So request dispatcher into my home page. I want to carry all the dynamic content. So this is how your servlet class is ready now. Now within a web content under your project. So this is what project 4 we created here. Under this project you will find out web content. Under the web content you need to create JSP pages. Next.jsp. You will see that JSP page is here. This is my index page, and I have some simple passage I wrote there. Same way inside the home page I will set the title. This is home page. Welcome, and I want to display the dynamic container inside my JSP page, so I will use script like that here.